Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the miscellaneous question of percentage. Now in the previous videos, we share the question based on percentage on different topics like population, student marks, expenditure is equal to price into consumption, like that. Today we will discuss the miscellaneous question of percentage. So we will start with question number 1. Here the question number 1 is A's salary is 25% more than that of B. Then B's salary is less than that of A by how much percent? 20%, 50%, 44.5% and 33.33%. Means if A earn 25% more than B, then how much percent less B earn than A? Now, so we know that the fraction value of 25%, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Now in the previous video, we already discussed that the numerator value is a result and the denominator value is act as a original value. Now here 25%. So the fraction value is 1 by 4. Now the earning of A is based on the earning of B because A earned 25% more than B here. So 4 will act as the earning of B. So B earned rupees 4. And A earned 25% more than B. Then A earning will be 4 plus 1 rupees 5. Clear? Now in this case, B earned how much percent less than A? So B earned rupee 1 less than A. So in percentage, we will write 1 upon now here. So we have to find how much percent less B earned than A. So we are comparing the earning of B with respect to A. Clear? Whether it is increasing or decreasing. In this case, salary is, the earning is decreasing because B earned rupees 4 and A earned rupees 5. Now in denominator, we will take the value of A because we are comparing earning of B with respect to A. So A earning is 5 into 100. It becomes 20%. So B earned 20% less than A. Clear? Now, by applying this method, you can directly and easily solve this type of question in minimum time. Whether 10, 20 seconds, you can solve these type of question. Now, question number 2. Now, if you are getting any problem regarding any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Now, next question number 2. Now, question number 2 is very similar to the question number 1. Here, A salary is 50% more than B. Then B salary is less than how much percent? We know that 50%, which is equal to 1 by 2. So B earn rupees 2, A earn rupees 3. How much percent? This is the 1. B earn rupee 1 less than A. So in percentage, we will write 1 earning of A because we are comparing earning of B with respect to A into 100, which is equal to 33.33%. Sorry, 33.33%. Option number D. Now, next question. Question number 3. If X is 10% more than Y, then what percent then by what percent is Y less than X? So we know that the fraction value of 10% is 1 upon 10. Here X is 10% more than Y. So Y will act as a 10, and x will act as a 11. 10 plus 1, 11. By what percent is y less than x? So y is one number less than x. So in percentage, we will write 1 upon the value of x into 100. It will be 9.09%. Clear? Now, by applying the fraction value of the percentage, you can easily solve this type of question. Next question, question number 4. B got 20% marks less than A. What percent marks did A got more than B? So we know that the fraction value of 20%, which is equal to 1 by 5. Here, A get 5 marks. B will get less. 5 minus 1, 4. So what percent marks did A got more than B? So A get 1 marks more than B. So in percentage, we will write 1 upon 5 into. Now, what percent marks did A got more than B? So A got 5, B got 4. Clear? Now, A get 1 marks more than B. So here we are comparing marks of A with respect to B. And value of B is 4, not 5. Remember these things. Value of B. Here we are comparing the marks of A with respect to B, which is equal to 25%. Now, if you have any problem, then ask in the comment section. Next question. Question number 5. Two numbers are less than a third number by 30% and 37% respectively. The percent by which the second number is less than the first number. So, we will assume that the third number will be 100. Two numbers are less than. First number will be 30% less. It will be a 70. Second number will be 37% less, means 100 minus 37, which is equal to 63. And we have to find what percent by which the second number is less than the first number. We are comparing whether the second number is more or less, but here is a less than first number. How much? 7 marks less. In percentage, we will write 7 upon first number here into 100, which is equal to 10%. Getting? Here we are comparing the second number is less than the first number by how much percent? Here. So in the denominator, we will take the value of first number. Now, question number 6. Two numbers are respectively 12.5% and 25% more than a third number. Then find the first number as percentage of second number. Now, so we will solve this question by applying the fraction value of percentage. 12.5%. Fraction value is 1 upon 8. 25%. The fraction value is 1 upon 4. Now the 1 upon 4 we can write in the form of 2 by 8. After divided by 2, we will get 1 by 4. Now, in the denominator, we are getting 8 common. So we will take a third number is 8. And the first number is 12.5% more. So first number will be 8 plus 1. 9. Second number will be 8 plus 2, 10. And we have to find the first number as percentage of second number. So first number of second number means if there is an examination and you get 9 marks out of 10, it will be a 90%. So first number will be the 90% of the second number. Now, next question. A man spends 75% of his income. His income increased by 30% and he increased his expenditure by 20%. Find his saving will then be increased by. Clear? So how much percent saving will increase? We have to find. So we know that income is equal to spend plus saving. We will assume that the income is 100 and the man is spent 75%, and he saved 25. Total income is 100. He spent 75 and saved 25. His income is increased by 30%. Initial income is 100 and is increased by 30%. Now it becomes 130, increased by 30%. We know that 30% of 100 is 30. 100 plus 30, it becomes 130. And he increased his expenditure, means spend, by 20%. So 20% increase. 20% of 7.5, 75, which is equal to 15. 75 plus 15, 90. Total income 130. Spend is 90. So saving will be 40 because the sum of spend plus saving, which is equal to income. Initial income was 25 and saving and initial saving was 25 and the final saving is 40. So how much saving is increased? 15. Now in percentage, we are comparing the final saving, how much percent it will increase with respect to the initial value, 25 into 100. It becomes 60%. So 60% saving will increase. Now, next question. A man spent 80% of his income. His income increased by 50%. And he increased his expenditure by 40%. Find his saving will be increased by. So how much percent saving will increase? We have to find. This same question we already discussed. Now we will apply the same method. Income is equal to spend plus saving. Again, we will take the income is 100. He spent 80%, 80 and saving is 20. His income increased by 50%. Now it becomes 150. Clear? Initial income was 100, and then after increasing 50%, the final income becomes 150. His expenditure increased by 40%. 40% of 80, which is equal to 32. So it becomes 112. And 150 minus 112, which is equal to 30. Initial saving is 20, final saving is 38. How much it increased? 18 in percentage, 18 upon 20 into 100, which is equal to 90%. So 90% saving will increase. Now, question number 9. They spend 40% of her salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on entertainment, and 10% on convenience. If her saving at the end of the month are 1,500, find her salary per month. Now, here we will assume Radha's salary is 100x. He spent 40% on food. 40% of 100x, which is equal to 40x. 20% on house rent means 20x. 10% on entertainment, 100x. 10% on convenience. Now, these are the expenditure. Spend 40 plus 20, 60, 70, 80x. He spent 80x. Now, saving is 20x. He spent 80x and now save 20x. Now the saving is 20x, which is equal to 1,500. We will multiply by 5. Here we will get 100x is equal to 7,500. And we have to find her monthly income, which is equal to 100x, 20x, which is equal to 1,500. And now the 100x, which is equal to 7,500. Now, the next question. Question number 10. A person gave 20% of his income to his elder son, 30% of the remaining. Now, the word is remaining to the younger son, and 10% of the balance he donated to a trust. He is left with 10,080. Find his income. Again, we will take the income is 100x. Now a person gave 20% of his income to his elder son. So 20% of 100x, which is equal to 20x. Now 20x is given to the elder son. So the remaining will be 80x. Now 30% of the remaining, 30% of remaining means 30% of 80x, not 100x, 30% of 80x, 24x. Remaining is 70%, which is equal to 56x. Again, 10% of the balance means remaining value, 10%, 5.6x, given to the trust. And the remaining will be 50.4x. He is left with the money 50.4x, which is equal to 10,080. X is equal to 200. Now we have to find the total income, 100x, which is equal to 20,000. So the total income of the man is 20,000. Clear? Here the important word is remaining. Clear? Remaining means after giving some percentage to the any person, the remaining amount. So 30% of the remaining means 30% of 80x. Now, next question. A man spent 12.5% of his salary on items of daily use, 12.5%, and 30% of the remainder on house rent. After that, he is left with 2,940. How much is his salary? Now, in this case, value is given 12.5%. And we know that the fraction value of 12.5%, which is 1 by 8. Now, in this case, we will take the income, total income, his salary in the form of 8, not 100. Because we will take 100, then our question become complicated. The calculation will become complicated and lengthy. Here we will take the total income is 80x. Now, see, 12.5%. So 12.5%, we know that 1 by 8, 1 by 8 of 80, which is equal to 10x. And remaining is 70x. After that, 30% of remainder, 21x. And remaining is 70%, which is equal to 49x. So 49x, which is equal to 2940. And x is equal to 60. If x is equal to 60 and we have to find how much his salary is 80x. So the 80x, which is equal to 4800, 4800. Now, next question number 12. The ratio of the number of boys and girls in a college is 3:2. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are adults, find the percentage of those students who are not adults. So here, boys is 3, girls is 2. Now the ratio is given 3:2. So we will take 30 and 20. Ratio will remain the same, but 0, 0 will be cancelled out and the ratio become 3:2. 20% of 30, which is equal to 6. 25% of 20 is equal to 5. Now, 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are adult. So adult will be 6 and here is 5. Total 11. Not adult, which is equal to 50. Total boys plus girls minus 11, which is equal to 39. And we have to find how much percent of those students who are not adult percentage. 39 upon 50 into 100, which is equal to 78%. 78% number of students are not adult. Clear? Now, next question. Question number 30. The ratio of number of boys and the girls in a school is 2:3. 25% of the boys and 30% of the girls are scholarship holders. The percentage of the school student who are not scholarship holder, like same question is boys and girls. Boys is 20, girls is 30. 25% of the boys. 25%, which is equal to 5. 30%, which is equal to 9. So 14 students are scholarship holder. Non-scholarship holder are 50 minus 40. 36. And we have to find the percentage. Same question is there. That's why I'm calculating directly. 72%. So 72% students are not scholarship holders. Question number 40. The ratio of the number of boys to the girls in a school is 4:1. 75% of the boys and 70% of the girls are scholarship holders. Then the percentage of students who do not get scholarship is. Now the ratio of the number of boys to that of girls is 4:1. Boys is 40, girls is 10. 75%. 75% of 40 is 30 and 70% is 7 are scholarship holders. So scholarship holders are 37 and non-scholarship holders are 30. So in percentage, 13 upon 50 into 100, which is equal to 26%. Now, question number. The ratio of two numbers is 4:5. When the first is increased by 20%. The second is decreased by 20%. Find the ratio of their resulting number. Same question is there. First number, second number are given in the ratio 40 and 50. First number increased by 20%. Second number is decreased by 20%. So 20% of 40, which is equal to 8, and 20% of 50, which is equal to 10. After increasing 20% of 40, it becomes 48. It decreases 40 divided by 8. We get 6:5. Now, the last question is there. In a class, the number of girls is 20% more than that of boys. The strength of the class is 66. If 4 more girls are admitted to the class, then the ratio of the number of boys to that of girls. We know that the fraction value of 20% is 1/5. Here girls are 20% more than the boys. We are comparing number of girls with respect to boys. Here 5 will be the boys. Now we will take 5 as boys. Then girls become more. 5 plus 1, 6. So boys is 5x, then girls become 6x. Total 5x plus 6x, 11x, which is equal to 66. X is equal to 6. Now, so the number of boys become 30 and number of girls become 36. If 4 more girls are admitted, so number of girls become 40 and the boys remain 30. The ratio of the number of boys to the girls. So the ratio become 3:4. Option number C will be the right answer. Clear? First of all, we will take the fraction value of 20%, which is equal to 1/5. Here we are comparing how many girls are there with respect to boys. 20% more. So denominator value will act as a number of boys. Is 5. So girls will be 6. After addition, 5x, 6x, 11x, which is equal to 66. X is equal to 6. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 6, 36. After addition, 4 more girls. Number of girls, total number of girls become 40. So the ratio becomes 3:4. So here we were terminating our session. Thank you for watching my video. Here we completed the whole percentage chapter. Now in the previous video, we have completed the question based on percentage on different topics like population, student marks, election, expenditure, like that. Now today we discuss the question, the miscellaneous question of the percentage. Now in the next video, we will start a new topic. So for today, thank you so much for the video and try all the questions. These questions are very basic and very important. Directly same question will appear in your examination. Clear? So for today, thank you so much for the session. In the next session, we will start a new chapter. So for today, thank you so much. Thank you.